Welcome to a journey where creativity meets sustainability through the art of woodworking. In this exploration, we delve into the enchanting realm of innovative wooden crafts that thrive in every season. As our lives become increasingly intertwined with nature, there's a rising appreciation for handcrafted items that not only enhance our living spaces, but also reflect our values. Using reclaimed wood, artisans create unique pieces that tell a story, embodying the spirit of renewal and creativity. This approach not only contributes to a more sustainable future, but also allows for the transformation of ordinary materials into extraordinary works of art. In this video, we will explore how woodworkers can harness the beauty of rustic wood to craft seasonal treasures that resonate with customers. From the vibrant blooms of spring to the cozy comforts of winter, each season offers a wealth of inspiration for innovative designs. As we navigate through various techniques, market trends, and customer preferences, you'll discover how to build a thriving woodworking business that celebrates individuality and craftsmanship. Join us in celebrating the timeless appeal of wood and its ability to elevate home decor, while fostering a deeper connection with nature and community. If you enjoyed this exploration of innovative wooden crafts and want to dive deeper into the world of woodworking, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content. Your support means everything. By liking and sharing this video, you help us reach fellow craft enthusiasts who are just as passionate about sustainable artistry. We encourage you to stay until the end, as we'll be unveiling some exciting tips and insights that can elevate your own crafting journey. Join our community, and let's celebrate the beauty of wood together. Spring, embracing renewal. As spring brings new life and vibrant colors, the world of woodworking offers a perfect opportunity to channel this energy into creative crafts. Artisans can explore the concept of using reclaimed wood, which not only promotes sustainability, but also adds unique character to every piece. Customers increasingly seek products that reflect their values, and incorporating reclaimed materials can attract a market eager to support eco-friendly practices. By focusing on seasonal themes and natural aesthetics, woodworkers can create an engaging collection that resonates with the spirit of renewal. Summer, celebrating outdoor living. With the arrival of summer, the emphasis shifts to outdoor living and entertaining. This season presents a golden opportunity for woodworkers to craft innovative solutions that enhance outdoor spaces. Utilizing rustic wood can create a warm, inviting atmosphere that aligns with the summer vibe. Artisans can market their creations as essential elements for backyard gatherings, appealing to customers who want to elevate their outdoor decor. The potential for profit in this seasonal market is significant as people invest in their outdoor experiences. Fall, capturing autumn's essence. As fall unfolds, the rich hues and textures of the season inspire a wave of creativity in woodworking. Artisans can delve into crafting pieces that embody the essence of autumn, using rustic wood to evoke warmth and nostalgia. This season is a prime time for home decor, as customers look to create cozy, inviting spaces. By focusing on seasonal themes, woodworkers can tap into a lucrative market that appreciates handcrafted items that enhance their homes during this time of year. Winter, embracing warmth and comfort. Winter invites a sense of coziness and comfort, making it an ideal time for woodworkers to showcase their innovative crafts. The use of reclaimed wood can add a rustic charm that resonates with customers seeking to create warm, inviting interiors. The year-round appeal of wood. The versatility of reclaimed wood allows for a wide range of applications, making it easy to adapt to changing trends and customer preferences. This adaptability can lead to a more stable income stream for woodworkers as they cater to diverse market demands. Seasonal themes and marketing. Incorporating seasonal themes into marketing strategies can significantly enhance the appeal of wooden crafts. Artisans can create promotional campaigns that align with the changing seasons, emphasizing the unique qualities of their products. By highlighting the sustainable aspects of reclaimed wood, woodworkers can attract a customer base that values eco-conscious choices. This approach not only fosters customer loyalty, but can also lead to increased profitability as seasonal trends drive sales. Engaging with the community can elevate a woodworking business and create a loyal customer base. Hosting workshops or events focused on wooden crafts allows artisans to share their passion while attracting potential customers. By fostering a sense of community, woodworkers can build relationships that translate into long-term support for their craft. This approach can be particularly effective during seasonal events, where the spirit of collaboration and creativity thrives. The impact of online presence. In today's digital age, a strong online presence is crucial for woodworking artisans. By showcasing their innovative crafts on social media and e-commerce platforms, woodworkers can reach a wider audience. Emphasizing the unique qualities of reclaimed wood and the artistry involved in the crafting process can captivate potential customers. Seasonal promotions and engaging content can further enhance visibility, making it easier for artisans to connect with their audience and boost sales. Customization and personalization. Offering customization options can set woodworking businesses apart in a competitive market. By allowing customers to personalize their wooden crafts, artisans can create unique products that reflect individual tastes and preferences. This approach not only enhances customer satisfaction, but also opens up new opportunities for profit. Collaborations with local businesses. Collaborating with local businesses can create mutually beneficial opportunities for woodworkers. By partnering with florists, home decor shops, or event planners, artisans can showcase their wooden crafts in complementary settings. Seasonal promotions can enhance visibility and attract customers who appreciate locally sourced, handmade products. This collaborative approach not only strengthens community ties, but also expands the market reach for wooden crafts. Trends in sustainable crafting. The growing trend toward sustainability has made reclaimed wood a sought-after material in woodworking. Customers are increasingly drawn to products that reflect their values, making it essential for artisans to highlight the eco-friendly aspects of their crafts. By focusing on sustainable practices, woodworkers can position themselves as leaders in the market, appealing to a customer base that prioritizes environmental responsibility. This trend offers significant profit potential as consumers seek to support businesses that align with their values. A season for every craft. Innovative wooden crafts offer vast potential across all seasons, allowing artisans to explore creativity while building a profitable business. By focusing on reclaimed wood, sustainable practices, and engaging marketing strategies, woodworkers can attract a diverse customer base eager for unique, handcrafted items. The connection between craftsmanship and home decor continues to grow, ensuring that the art of woodworking remains relevant and cherished in every season. Thank you for watching the video. We truly appreciate your support and hope you found inspiration in our exploration of innovative wooden crafts. If you enjoyed the content, please take a moment to like and share it with friends and fellow craft enthusiasts. Your engagement helps us reach a wider audience and fosters a community passionate about sustainable artistry. We look forward to bringing you more creative ideas and insights in future videos. So stay tuned for our next adventure in the world of woodworking.